Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Padharthi Yashwardhan and I welcome you all to my channel where I create videos related to different topics in electronics, and this channel is open for all the electronic enthusiasts who wants to wish to join this channel and explore the world of electronics. Now on this channel I have already made videos related to different topics in electronics. Now today's video is going to be a prerequisite video about the upcoming about the electronic basic series, where I'll be talking about the basics of electronics from this. The aim of this series to give you a knowledge about electronics that takes you from having a very little bit knowledge in electronics to making you able to design your own circuits. In this thing, in this course, what we are going to do is we are going to be discussing. Sorry, let me take some bright color like this. Yeah. In let me yeah let me take a yellow color. Yeah. So yeah. So in this series, what we are going to do is starting a journey from the beginner's point of view at the very ground. That is, we be defining what is electronics, why it is important. Then we'll understand what do you mean by electronic circuit, what are different components that are used in the electronic circuit, how are they working, everything. Then we also learn that is, I will be summarizing it as basics. Then we'll be learning about some of the theorems or the statements that we'll be mostly using in the circuit designing, like what is Ohm's law, what do you mean by voltage divider, what is current divider, how they are being used, why it is important to understand about them. Apart from that, then we'll also learn about digital electronics, because nowadays most of the things that we are doing are working in digital logic. Like for example, even if all the devices in our homes are converting into smart devices, where they are using some digital microcontrollers in order to control our fan, lights, everything. So we'll understand about digital electronics also. Then we'll also learn about how we are going to control. We've been talking about different aspects. Now, what I plan to do is, I plan to create this series in a way where you will not only learn theoretically, but I also try to include some fun projects, some fun simulations for you, so that you gain a good understanding about what is going on in this series. Hope you enjoyed that series. The only thing which I'm expecting from you guys is to just help me, just subscribe this channel and stay tuned on this channel. And also please try to share this video to as many number of people as possible. And do give me your feedback on this different series which I'm doing on on this channel, so that I feel motivated. I know where my shortcomings are, so that I work on that. But only thing is, please try to try to keep the comment section in a positive manner, so that it will be helpful to all the electronic enthusiasts who are watching these videos. And do subscribe the channel, which helps the YouTube algorithm promote these videos to other people also. Now, in order, as I already mentioned, that I'm going to be explaining this in a practical aspect also, that is doing some simulations and all. So for that point of view, what I'm going to be using, I'll be using two common online tools for this. One is this Falstad simulator, which looks like this. This I'll be using the simulation software because in the simulation you can clearly observe how your how your current is flowing, what is the how different component, how the current or voltage is flowing to different components, how is it getting divided, you can understand visually. And you can also control the simulation speed, the speed at which you want the simulation to go, so that you can clearly visualize what is going on. Like for example, sometimes when we are designing some timer circuits, we are using any triple five timer, the main problem we get is we are not able to visualize if we are using very low values of components or a very high value. Sometimes we are not able to visualize the direction of current in a clear manner. That way you can decrease or increase your current speed. You can even do this. So now friends, I hope you are getting to the lesson. Other the software that I will be going to using is the Tinkercad software. This is also a free to use software. What you can do is you can do different things. Even if you are doing 3D printing also, this is very useful because you can design this in a 3D manner also. In this also you will be understanding. The advantage of this software is you will be able to visualize how you're going to connect your circuit in a physical in a lab environment. That is, when we are doing this all these experiments in a lab physically, we tend to use something called the breadboard like this, and we also use the components and we connect the components on the breadboard. So using the software, you'll be able to clearly visualize how you're going to connect on the breadboard and all. Apart from this, I'm also going to be showing you the practically uh, through some demo videos also. I will be explaining these concepts to you. Now with this out of our way, I hope you are excited for this new series, and at the end of the day you will learn something new. And I hope to see you all in the next video where I will be diving depth into this topic. Thanks for watching this video till this end, friend. I know, friend, this is a very short video as this is only a prerequisite. I am keeping this very dense, and I have just not gone into any depth in this electronic. You can, till we are going to go to the next video, you can just find the links to the simulators down in the description. You can open the simulator and try to work around your way until then to gain the knowledge. One thing I have learned through experience is that whenever you're working with electronics, the best way to understand electronics is try to implement the different circuits on your own. Only then you will be understand. If you have physical components and you are able to do those circuits physically, it's a very good thing. Otherwise, at least just try to use the simulators and do. Another tip I am giving is whenever you're watching such videos where such information is being given, it's a good practice that you try to note down the important points. Thank you, friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned to this channel and keep experimenting with electronics. Thank you, friends, and bye.